deeper in like shallow water. What is the it's a polymer of some sort to get them out of the wise. They're really good, even though they look cloudy. The buffy once they hit the bottom. Yeah, it's, I don't know that Matt, you can call the 747 number, talk to Matt, the owner. We started having issues with some of them fell in cracks. They're very stiff.
Pigeons hanging out. It's a bird or a fish feeder. Feed fish. Pigeons will attack if you stand there.
Yeah, they feed the fish.
I wonder if them shows up on there. I'll bet they do.
Well, let's find out what happened. Okay?
Huh?
We'll find out what's going to happen.
Oh, don't say that. Oh, you're going to get caught around. Hey, well, I'm getting away from you stupid pigeons.
Come on, fish later.
Film that? Film it?
Yeah.
You guys want a margarita? Any of you guys want a margarita? Sorry, no margarita.
No, I'm fine. I still got plenty. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
I'm having fun watching this big
I sound a little gnarly, a little raspy, downright unpleasant over your sound system. However, your band is silky smooth. My good friend Corey, my good friend Tom, and my good friend Terry, ladies and gentlemen, they are the band that will take care of your ears for the next couple hours, while we here at Fury Water Adventures takes care of everything else. By everything else, I mean we had the finest vessel in our armada here in the form of the Caribbean Fury. 3 of the hardest working crew members in our fleet in the form of my good friend CJ, my good friend Shai, and my good friend Caleb. Caleb, Shai, and CJ are going to be hooking you guys up with your complimentary beverages and complimentary appetizers. Your beverages include margaritas, champagnes, beers, wines, spitzers, sodas, and water. As soon as we back off your dock, we will open up your complimentary appetizer bar. Cheese trays, deli trays, veggie trays, meatballs, chicken wings. Everything's complimentary, everything's great, everything belongs to you. And it does include the Caribbean Fury. My friends, we are aboard the flagship of the Fury fleet. You'll be happy to know that your vessel comes complete with a front deck, a roof deck, a back deck, as well as a main deck. The good news is, every one of your decks doubles as a dance floor. What that means is no matter where you find yourself, when you feel that funky vibration, feel free to cut loose, sing a little song, do a little dance, have a little fun. Caribbean Fury belongs to you. Now, I've noticed in the past, people tend to have a lot more fun on the Caribbean Fury when we are untied from the dock and traveling, rather tied to the dock, listening to me. For that reason, I'm going to cut this orientation in half. I will make my way to the back of the boat. I will let loose the dock lines, and on the way out, I will finish up with the safety feature portion and the comfort feature portion of this orientation. Feel secure in knowing that you are in the proper spot, getting ready to take care of the proper activities with the proper individuals. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Commotion on the Oceaners, one and all. Unless you have questions that I need to answer before we get this show on the road or this boat on the water, I would say it's high time I hand the microphones over to the professionals. I'll make my way back to the steering station and I will light the fires and kick the tires. So what do you say, ladies and gentlemen? Are you ready to travel?
Yeah!
There we go, boys and girls. Sit back, relax, enjoy the show. Fury Water Adventures, Commotion on the Ocean starts right now. Caribbean Fury is the name of the boat. Commotion on the Ocean is the name of your trip. Now feel free to walk around and make yourselves at home, my friends. You'll be happy to know that you have 2 bathrooms on board. Bathrooms are located all the way downstairs inside either hull. Your bathrooms are downstairs. However, the stairs that go down to the bathrooms, they actually function as a set of ladders. What that means is you want to turn around so you go up and down the bathroom stairs like you were climbing up and down a set of ladders. All the other stairs on board are normal except for the stairs that go down into the bathrooms. And the good news is your bathrooms are normal as well. By normal, I mean they look, work, and act like every single bathroom we're used to using on land until you go to flush the toilet. Very simple system. Little mechanical pump is going to flush the toilet for you. Little mechanical pump is operated by a button on the wall. Button on the wall is noted by a sign that says, push to flush. That's right, long story short, hold that button in just for a second or two, bada bing, bada boom. Just like magic, everything, my friends, that we realize no garbage whatsoever can go over the side of your boat. Food byproducts, paper byproducts, plastic cups, cigarette butts, you name it. Garbage, period, needs to find its way to the bottom of my garbage can rather to the bottom of our ocean. Now, I did mention cigarette butts in that montage. By all means, if you feel the need to smoke, go right ahead and do so. Keep in mind you can't throw anything over the side of the boat. Rather, a little plastic cup with some liquid in it will double as an ashtray. We do have a smoking tower on the back of the boat. Now, smokers, this is how it works. You can smoke wherever you want to on this boat as long as you realize that as a smoker, it is your responsibility not to go huffing smoke in anyone's face. Simply figure out which way is downwind. Make yourself in that direction. You'll be a happy person. The non-smokers will be a happy person. And the world will be a better place in the long run. Last but not least, smoking is bad for your health. You probably should not be smoking to begin with. Now, weather-wise, we are looking absolutely righteous as far as sunset observation is concerned. Sunset is scheduled for 11 minutes after 8 this evening. Plenty of time to prepare for it. Plenty of time to party after it. We've got a gentle breeze blowing near 0 velocity. So the sea state's not going to be a problem. All in all, we're looking very good. Now, we did carry all our required safety equipment on board, none of which we've had to use in the past, none of which we're going to have to use today. However, if you get on a boat, you should always find out what you have and where it is kept. So
That's as big as our house.
Life rafts and a very snowboard ring are located on the very back of the boat. Life preservers themselves are stowed inside the picnic benches, which are located between the bar and the steering station. Fire extinguishers downstairs by each engine room door. One behind the bar, one behind the steering station, and we also have a first aid kit that can handle all kinds of minor scrapes and bruises and whatnot. Now, ladies and gentlemen, like all sailboats, the captain is positioned at the very back of the boat so he can look forward and trim his sails while he's making way. Long story short, we cannot block the middle of the upper deck or block the stairwells going from the front deck to the upper deck. That's right, you can go up and down the stairs. Please don't stop on the stairs to take a picture. Don't sit on the stairs. Don't block the middle of the boat. If that occurs, we will say, clear the stairwell, clear the stairwell. We greatly appreciate your cooperation. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I'm going to introduce you to the finest band on the island. My good friend Corey, my good friend Tom, and my good friend Terry, ladies and gentlemen. Fury Water Adventures, Commotion on the Ocean starts right now.
Was the easiest thing to do. We will survive, be invested. Somebody fine, come along, make me forget about loving you. In the Southern Cross.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, your band is cranking, your drinks are flowing, your appetizers are appetizing. That means the only thing we've got left to do is to raise your mainsail so we can commence with the sailing portion of your Commotion on the Ocean.
Now, this
Good
is a
news is,
sailboat.
ladies and gentlemen, we are now looking for sail-raising volunteers. That's right. If anybody on the boat wants to help the crew raise the mainsail, now is your only opportunity. Make your way to the front of the boat. We'll get you in line. We'll let you know when to get busy. You might be wondering why you'd want to help raise the mainsail. Well, check it out, my friends. Not only is it a beautiful photo opportunity, not only is it a genuine character builder, not only does it entitle you to front stage passes for the band, but you get free beer as well. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. It's a win-win situation. Sail raising volunteers, make your way up to the front of the boat. First and foremost, we are in Key West, which means we are never in a hurry. We always work together. We work smart, we don't work hard. We've got a very simple rhythm involved with the raising of the mainsail. The rhythm is heave, ho, heave, ho, heave, ho. Collectively, we're pulling on the heaves and we're pulling on the ho. That's right, line them up, sail raising volunteers. We're gonna get started on 3. First off, sail raising volunteers, do you understand the heave-ho rhythm?
Yes, Mark.
Alrighty, my friends, here we go. We're heaving and we're hoeing on 3. 1, 2,
Watch out. Okay, watch out.
There you go, boys and girls.
We're gonna hit these guys. Watch out.
Trained professionals, don't try to stop them at home. You know you're good if you get used to it.
Oh, it's gonna hit this guy. Go, baby.
There she stopped. She's just fine.
Keep going, guys. You're almost there. 2 more heaves, 2 more holes. All right, 1 big pull on 3. 1, 2, 3. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Make a little noise here. Sail raisers. Handing the microphones back to the professionals. Commotion on the ocean continues right now. Or whenever Corey's ready.
My living life, my living life, too much to I gotta smile, too hot in the clouds, superstitions in my mind. Don't believe me. Don't believe me. When I hear you call, wanna say from your wall, and silent sweet feet talk. See seen it all. What's the main road you? Switch the sails to steep. Young and hold the trend you have ever seen. Most of these, most of these. I am a pirate, 200 years too late. Now the cannons don't thunder, there's nothing to plunder. I'm an over 40 victim of fate. Arriving too late. I'm the biggest smuggling. I ran my share of grass. I made enough money to buy Miami, but the pistol is so fast. I have been drunk now for over 2 weeks. I passed out at a rally, then I sprung a few leaks. Oh, I gotta go mission, gotta go fishing, down to rock bottom again. Just a few days, just a few days. and pray they come back one day. I still manage to smile.
Stays around. Stays around.
Mother, Mother Ocean, after all these years I found occupational hazard is my occupation just not around.
Cause I got down. Gonna head uptown. Cause I got down. Gonna head uptown.
Yep. We're gonna play a little song for Kim right now.
Been down one time, been down two times, never going back again, never going back again.
Don't know what it means to win.
Come back down to see me again. Been down a long time, been down two times, never going back again.
On the B side of Don't Stop Thinking About Your Mom.
Don't stop, it'll soon be here.
With that boat's crowded.
I'll try it again. There's somebody there again. Let's see.
Wake up this morning, looking down for my shoes. Now that don't you know I'm up to lose this morning. Looking down for my shoes. Now that don't you know I got to fall out to lose. I'm on the floor, gotta get through the same day. It's all the feeling that I ever get this morning. Looking down for my shoes. Now that don't you know I got to fall out to lose. I'm on the floor, looking through the same bed. It's all the feeling that I ever get this morning. Looking down for my shoes. Now that don't you know I got to fall out to lose. Now that don't you know I got to go easily. Now that don't you know I got to walk in the lose.
For the blues for Wednesday afternoon.
19 minutes till sunset, 19 minutes till sunset. The sun is set off the port side of your boat. The port side is the left side as
Yeah,
you
we
face
are.
forward.
It will happen.
18 minutes till sunset. Arr.
Are.
Give her a high five. Yeah, me. No.
put up a bargain line. Big hotel, taking a swing at the nights.
Don't know who we see the girl that you don't know what you got till it's gone. Paradise, put up a bargain line. My spots on my apples, leaving the birds and the bees, yeah. Don't know who we see the girl that you don't know what you got till it's gone. Paradise, put up a bargain line. Paradise, put up a bargain line. That you don't know what you got till it's paradise, put up a bargain line. Paradise, put up a bargain line.
See, late last night I heard the screen doors. We get a taxi to my house.
We see the girl that you don't know what you got till it's gone. Paradise, put up a bargain line. Paradise, put up a bargain line. Paradise, put up a bargain line. Don't know who you see the girl that you don't know what you got till it's
there she stood in the street, bottom her head to the feet. She said, hey, who is this now, baby, baby? Baby, she would need a kiss. I said, wait, what's your name now, baby, baby? How you gonna put me to shame? I said, don't break your hesitate. Spoon all the way the morning rain.
all right now, baby, it's all right now. All right now, baby, it's all right now. It's all right, it's all right, it's all right.
Hey, hey. 6. Now.
The beer just calling son. Bad, bad on the people around. Bad as a man in the whole damn town. Better than all King Kong. Better than a junkyard dog.
D-Rock is a gambler.
And he likes his fancy clothes. And he likes to wear the diamond ring on everybody's nose.
Have the paper.
That's what I said. I got a bottle too. Got a 32 gun in his pocket for fun. He got a razor in his shoe. He's bad, bad, Leroy Brown. Bad as a man in the whole damn town. Better than all King Kong. Better than a junkyard dog.
About an hour, about a week ago. Get back to our folky roots.
Pictures are running tonight. You see us together, chasing the moonlight, my cinnamon girl. I'll send me money now. I'm gonna make it somehow. I need another chance. See a baby loves to dance. Somehow I need another chance. You see your baby love today.
Both the same sky, that's decent.
I wanna live with a cinnamon girl. I could be a
Rain tonight.
gonna fall down the cliff. Some movie. The wind is bright in September. Find some melody. Oh, the clouds can do miracles. You and see.
Back to this side.
It's not falling down the paradise. No reason to pretend. The wind is blinding by the door. Innocence again. Oh, the gals can do miracles. Just you wait and see. Believe in me. Sailing, takes me away to where I always thought you would be. It's the dream when the carry. Soon I will be free. It's best to be. And I'm sailing. Lord God, I'm in a reverie. Every word is a symphony. Believe in me. Sailing, take me away to where I always thought.
Last bottom.
Wisdom fall down the path. The keys to take. And the wind is blinding by the door. Innocence again. Oh, the clouds can do miracles. Just you wait and see. Believe in me. Sailing takes me away where I always thought it would be. Dreaming when the carry. Soon I will be free. Lord, won't you help me find a woman with blues as big as my head? They could be my three best friends and never run away. I'm not a leg, we got legs of my own. They can find a way from my bed. I'm gonna find me a woman with boobs as big as my head. Saw a girl last night, wanted to pick her up, but all she had was an A cup. An A cup? But the rest of that girl was fine, fine, fine. Sweet, I gotta set a double B's, and you never found me. Chasing a girl with boobs, small as my Lord. What's happened about a woman with boobs? Red, green, yellow, brown, out of them. I like them over ample kind. Three big ones. I like them when they make that. Hey man, help me out here for a second. Sound. Lord, what's happened about a woman with boobs as big as my head? They could be my three best friends, that's my face. I got a leg, man, got legs of my own. They can run away. Find me a woman with boobs as big as my head. Gonna find me a woman with boobs as big as my head. Give me a pair. Oh gosh. Captain Chuck, what time is it?
Ladies and gentlemen, it is now Disco Dazzle-thon time. The sun is set, the moon is risen. We've got disco lights. We've got the only place in the world you should listen to disco.
myself, but we got to use my phone. I'm on like no time to talk. Easy now, phone was been big time since I was born.
But it's alright, it's okay. You can look the other way. You can try to understand. And your times are fast so bad. Whether you're a brother, whether you're a mother, you're staying alive, staying alive. In the city, breaking the day, everybody shaking, just staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive.
Getting low and I can't hide, but now, you know it's true. Can you feel the feeling in my shoes? I'm a dancing man, no time to lose.
But it's alright, it's okay. You can look the other way. You can try to understand. Your times are facts on me. Whether you're a brother or whether you're a mother, you're staying alive, staying alive. In the city, breaking the day, everybody shaking, just staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive. I'm going nowhere. Somebody help me. Somebody help me, yeah. I'm going nowhere. Somebody help me. Somebody help me. Let me help.
Sing name is Billy G. It's cause you see every head to the eyes of G.
And let me dance. Let me help. And let me dance. Let me help. Always told me, be careful who you love. Don't go around breaking young girls' heart. Ooh, people always told me, be careful what you do. Be careful you love. When I come to, yeah, you Jesus, my love. Just remember that I am the one. Look at this, on the phone.
So take my stone and back. Never too long.
Always told me, be careful who you love. Don't go around breaking young girls' hearts.
Singing high and around, that's about.
Somebody scream!
I learned how to get you now you're back. Throw my face. I just walked in to find you here with that sad look upon your face.
I should have changed us to the light. Should have made you leave your key. If I'd known for just 1 second, you'd be back to bother me. Oh no, no. Go out the door. Turn around now. You're not welcome anymore.
See the one cloud hurt me with you now.
Thought I'd crumble.
All it out and down all night.
I will survive. As long as I know how to love you, Lord, I'll always stay alive. I've got all my love to give. I've got all my life to live. I will survive. I will survive. Hey, hey. Come on.
There is a fire burning in my heart. Reaching the fever pitch and swinging me out the door. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Doing the things that I would do. There is a fire burning in my heart. Reaching the fever pitch and swinging me out the door. Shines of your love, baby, back. Shines on thinking that we could have hit it all. Shines of your love, keep me breathless. Can't help thinking we could have hit it all. I remember 30 years.
boat. I'd like to point out on their behalf that as you're disembarking, they will have a tip jar on the gangplank. One tip jar for all 3 of your crew members will be on the gangplank as you disembark with a big old flashlight. My friends, if you think they served you out and helped you out, please try to help them outside and fill their tip jar up. Now, we greatly appreciate your company on board. Definitely appreciate your cooperation hanging downstairs. The good news is when we do let you come backstairs, up the stairs, you'll be returning to the beautiful island city of the U.S. As long as your drinks are in a plastic glass, it's okay.
We didn't have to know, we sweat it all out. Yeah, you need a glass right now. I think that's going to help the picture.
That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Caribbean Fury is the name of your boat. Commotion on the Ocean is the name of your trip. You keep drinking, you keep dancing. We'll let you know when it's safe to come upstairs. Hey,
What time? Those are tips that they probably put in the jar.